U.S. testing autonomous advanced stealth drones. The company is still carrying out work related to the MQ-28 Ghostbat, one of which is now in the United States, with an eye toward pitching it to the service as part of future advanced drone initiatives. Boeing, General Atomics, and Kratos all received contracts to produce unmanned aircraft in support of the Skyborg program in 2020. Boeing was to provide a variant or derivative of the MQ-28, which it was developed in Australia for the Royal Australian Air Force's RAF, Air Power Teaming System, Austrian Schilling's Loyal Wingman drone program.